Hey folks, it's Cody Hickman with 360 Catering and Events. We're out here doing a little blueberry whipped cream for National Whipped Cream Day. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with a beautiful, fresh blueberries. Some people use frozen. I like to use fresh. It's just a personal preference of mine. We're going to add those in. A little white refined sugar. Lemon juice, you gotta have a little acid in there, helps break down everything. Just a pinch of salt. Cinnamon. And water, that will help thin out everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this up to a boil. Once this gets to a boil, we're going to reduce down to a simmer for about 8 minutes, and that's going to make our little friends, the blueberries, burst a little bit. So when they burst, you know it's almost ready. So you want to bring that to a boil. After we bring it to a boil, we let it simmer for 8 minutes. What we're going to do is then put it in our food processor. We have a Ninja that we use a lot. We love it. We also have a Vitamix. We puree it, and then we sieve out all those lumps of the blueberry skins. And then what you end up having is a beautiful blueberry juice, compote, if you will. And we just chilled this in there we just chilled it overnight, really, so we don't have to worry about how long it takes during the day. We're going to go over here with our whipped cream. We always use a paddle for our whipped cream. I just think it works out a lot better this way instead of using a whip. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with our whipped cream, our heavy whipping cream. When you get that spinning a little bit, always start out low, then go high. Then go towards your upper levels. Straighten that out a little bit so it doesn't break on us. We're going to put a confectioner sugar in there. And of course, we'll have our recipes that have all the ingredients and amounts on our website, 360 Catering Events. There's a little vanilla extract that I just put in there. Now I'm going to bring it up, let that start going a little bit faster. And I'm going to turn on just a bit so we don't slosh it all over you and everybody else out there. So, as we're going through this, once it starts thickening, I'm going to start folding this beautiful blueberry juice in. Starting to thicken it up just a little bit. We're going to kick it up a notch. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day out there today. I know we have some cold weather coming up. Make sure you're wearing your coats. But this is great to have any kind of pie you like. I like dipping some strawberries in there. I'm just gonna fold a little bit in there. Getting pretty, isn't it? It almost gives us that beautiful TCU purple. So go Frogs. A little more. Let's see how we're doing now. See how stiff it's getting now? That's exactly what you want. You don't want to get it too stiff right now because you're going to put it in the refrigerator and it'll stiffen up the rest of the way. take this out. And we're just gonna let that all in our bowl. Oh, that's beautiful. So I hope you enjoy our blueberry whipped cream. We know we do. Again, your recipes will be on 360 Catering and Events. And enjoy.